Wednesday, so we cleared out the fridge and got most of the vegetables gone. I am making some, this is bok choy, and I have some carrots and some celery and some seasonings, and these are almonds, and I am making, burning my onions. Anyway, I'm gonna make some stir fry. I'm gonna use some white northern beans in it because I don't have chicken. Normally I would put like chicken in it, but I don't have them, but I have beans, so that's what I'm gonna do for, well, it's like 2:30, so whatever meal this is. Sometimes we eat at weird times. I also just roasted some broccoli, olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then I just got my bag of local produce, so I'll be pulling all that out in just a minute. Can't tell what's down there. So here's what we got in our produce bag. We got some strawberries, which my kids love. These will be gone in 5 seconds. Some sweet potatoes. I was just thinking I wanted sweet potatoes. I'm completely out of ginger, so that's gonna go in our stir fry. We like to cut up cucumbers and use them as like crackers sometimes. And then we love roasted veggies, so we'll probably roast all of these. This purple kale is super pretty. And then some orange cauliflower and broccoli. And then this bread, whenever they give us bread, it's gone like super fast with some butter. And yeah, so sweet potato toast or chips or fries or whatever. Today, my life is kind of a mess. We are doing some housing projects. Yes, this is no spend January, but I told you my husband is not participating. And we've been planning this for a while. We've been planning to put down some flooring. There was carpet here, and then vinyl, I guess you call it here, and over here. And so we're gonna be ripping this up, and we're gonna be ripping up all the carpet. We got this from Home Depot last night. My husband and I went. Hey, Bo. And we found this, and it's like a pecan color. So I wanted like a gray color, and this is not gray. So I'm going to Lowe's today. My husband's going to Lowe's, a different Lowe's today, and we're gonna see if they have anything in stock that's more of a gray color, because this was 79 cents a square foot. And we also got a discount because we bought a lot of it. So if I can go to Lowe's and I can find a gray color at the same price, then we will get that and cancel this. But if I can't, then this is what we're getting. So I'm hoping it matches with this, because it does have some brown in it, and this. So what do you think? Does it match? Does it match? Anyway, I don't know. I think it'll work, but I'm gonna look for the gray color also and just see if we can find it. So we're gonna do that, and we're also gonna go to Aldi. We also just threw out our red couch because it was broken and ripped, and we're gonna be throwing out this white couch as well because it's also extremely worn. We've had these couches for years, and they were secondhand when we got them. So we will be getting new couches in February. So the kids have long since eaten, but this is what I'm having for breakfast. I got broccoli, some leftover potato wedges that we made for dinner last night or the night before, and then pineapple and eggs, and then I'm having lemongrass tea, and I literally just stuck the lemongrass in the hot water. I sell these mugs on my website if you're interested in that, and then I have some greens powder. Anyway, that's breakfast. Yum. So ready for the day. Got my makeup done, my hair done. The bedroom's tidied up a little bit, bed made, and ready to hit the town. Do you like my shoes with shorts? I don't know. Is that weird? We're taking some celery and some apples to go. Alright, so we got this for 99 cents, which I think is that. And I think that is what we already have. Maybe, maybe not. I don't think this is what we want though. And then there's this one, but it's also 99 cents. Ginger hickory. Not the color I'm looking for. This one's 89 cents. Toffee oak. Again, very brown. So this one's 99 cents, but I like it. At least it's a gray oak, aged gray oak. It just looks like smaller ones put together, kind of like they put it up next to each other. It looks like different ones, but they're all stuck together. This is interesting. Kind of like this one. Do I like it enough to cancel the other order? So we just got back from Aldi, and I think we did pretty good. It was $50.76. So 76 cents over. It was actually like 51.90 something, and I was like, can you remove the parsley? And then I was like, I'm not taking anything else out of this cart. So this is what I got. I got some bread for my husband. There was one that was cheaper, but it was smaller. So I think this one was just as good a deal. Got a 2-pack of cream cheese. It was a little bit cheaper than getting one. And then I got this Colby Jack, and they actually had one that was grated in a bag, but it had a lot of like extra fillers in it, so I preferred to get the chunk instead of the grated. And then I also got some sharp cheddar. I'm gonna be making some tortillas to make taco salad. I thought about buying some chips, but instead I'm just gonna make tortillas. And then this can be for grilled cheese. This can be for grilled cheese. And then I got some Kerrygold. They do actually have it a little bit cheaper, like 3 cents cheaper than Walmart. I saw maple syrup there, but it was $6.49, and at Trader Joe's it's $4.99, and I think it's the same amount. So Trader Joe's is the place to get maple syrup, so I just didn't get any today. And then I got some celery, some carrots. We love celery and carrots for snacks on the go. That's actually what we cooked today on our trip, with celery and some apples. Got some ground turkey. We like to make sausage cheese balls, so some of the cheese will go to that as well. I got a whole chicken because whole chickens are cheaper than the cut up ones, unless they're like on a super deal. Generally speaking, it's cheaper to get it whole and cut it up yourself. These organic avocados were $3 for 4 of them. So for me, if it's less than $1, that's a good deal. I got some light olive oil for making mayonnaise. I have a recipe for how to make mayonnaise yourself that I will link in the description box as well as in the cards. YouTube might be taking cards away from me for a little while. So if suddenly I'm like pointing up here and nothing shows up, that's because YouTube took it away. So hopefully I'll get it back soon. Okay, we got some salsa for tacos, like I mentioned. Got some peanut butter for peanut butter and jelly. I still have some jelly that I got from Walmart. These organic bananas were on sale for 59 cents a pound, which is about what the regular bananas cost at Walmart normally. So I said, hey, might as well get the organic ones, and they're perfect right now for smoothies, or instead of getting the maple syrup, if we have waffles, we'll have peanut butter and bananas on top. I was also out of laundry detergent. My question is, do you include laundry detergent in your grocery budget, or do you have like a household budget on top of like your grocery budget? Because I've always just done it all together. I've never had like separate numbers. But I bet some people do that, so I'm curious. Do you have like a grocery budget and then like a household items budget for like toilet paper and this sort of thing, or do you just put it all together? So that's what I got, and now I will show you a few of the things that I made this week with some of these items or things I've had or whatever. We also got some chocolate chips. We're gonna be making some cookies, right? So thank you for watching this video. I'm so glad that you did. I'm so glad you're here. Please like this video if you liked it. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I would love to hang out with you every week in a new video. I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.